المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي
Your attention, please.
Where's Beanies?
المحطة القادمة هي بنك أبو ظبي التجاري.
The next station is ADCB.
Emirates Tower. Hi! Ethan, where are you going? Emirates Tower. So yan, papasok na kami sa Museum of the Future. Sabi ni Ethan, very futuristic building daw yan. Woo! Napakaganda sa loob, oh. Mamaya makikita nyo dyan, merong flying fish. Saka si Robodog. Yan, nasa loob na kami. Bibili muna kami ng ticket niyan. Lakad muna, tingin-tingin. Wow, wow, wow. So yan, syempre, bago kami pumasok, hindi pa kami nag-almusal. Breakfast muna. Tapos sa order. Sige, higop. Ethan, attack! Ayan na. May order. O yan na, flying fish, flying fish. Ang galing, oh. Pati yung lift nila, oh. Napakagaling.
So, welcome everyone to the Museum of the Future. Welcome to the year 2071, where you're all standing in Mohammed bin Rashid Space Portal in the year 2071.
Assalamu alaikum. Greetings everyone. My name is Aya. I'm a digital resident of the Museum of the Future. Welcome to my home. The launch is about to start. Follow me.
Alright. Let's go. Say hi.
Tingnan mo yung puso niya. Lakas ng bilik.
Wow. We're going up. We're on stage. We're going to space. So yan, nasa outer space na kami. Woo! Galing, oh. Hanip. Here, look, do that here. Look, on your balcony.
طاقة الشمسية مستمدة من الفضاء.
Oh yun, welcome Ethan Maciel Anisere. Nakita mo yung pangalan niya? May kapit.
Nasaan? Hindi ko.
So just look here. Press here. And then look up. And then you can choose which one you like. Once you're happy with the selection, press apply, but keep looking at the camera, okay? And then it will be on the big screen next to you.
Thank you.
Apply job.
There you are. Ethan, look at. Okay, so yan. Pabalik na kami ng Earth. Galing ng Mars. Landing na. Alright. Galing, oh. Ganda. Ano? Okay, so yan, nakabalik na kami ng Earth. Paglabas dyan, very futuristic talaga. Tingin ka sa window, kaboom! Flying cars outside! $2071? Because you're in year 2071, Ethan.
Kaya lang nakasign na.
Pati amoy, ba't gano'n yung amoy? Pati amoy ano?
Amoy ulan.
Isa sa mga area ng Museum of the Future ay yung mga nakikita niyo mga nasa glass. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Yan yung mga species. Almost 2,000 and above species. Yan yung mga species na pinag-aaralan nila na mabubuhay at hindi na mabubuhay sa year 2071. So, yan gamit ni Ethan. Yan yung device na nag-check kung anong klaseng species yan. Welcome to Oh, ito, libre hand massage.
Migration from just manual labor.
My name is Annika. I'm a humanoid robot and I work for the Museum of the Future. Do you have any question for me? I am a humanoid robot. I have been designed to look like a human, although instead of flesh and bones, my body is made of metal and wires.
What do you eat?
I am not alive, but I need a permanent power supply to be awake, in the same way that humans need oxygen, water, and food to survive.
And from Future Bikes, punta sa mga future bus. Kanina nakita niyo future car yun. Yung nakikita yung tao sa screen na yan, sa year 2071, pwede maging alien yun.
Second is done.